I didn't film the other video
It's okay.
last night. Okay.
What's up, YouTube? So instead of teaching people how to scuba today, because it's kind of a fail,
We're playing fart sounds, and walking past people.
Ready? Excuse me, do you know? I'm so sorry. Do you know where the vinyls are?
That's gonna be on K1, opposite from Bucks.
Okay, thank you. You too. Do.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
3, 2, 1.
I saw someone over there.
Not too long. Yes sir. Scuba. Wait, no, what if I go up to someone in scuba but I'm farting?
Yeah, okay. Being okay. Guys, you think I'll be in the choir?
Yeah. Okay, that's just absolutely belt.
Okay, like serious?
It's just absolute belt.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I'm coming, wait for me! Who was that?
Okay, so we trolled.
Scuba.
She gon' call me baby boo.
She gonna call me baby boo. Bro, we cooked. We're like the funniest people alive, and we're the most
trollers. Do you want trollers?
idea.
ever.
I say we start a new mission.
New mission. What's our next mission?
Become
Wait,
the
I know,
most
I know,
infamous
I know.
trollers of all time.
But we need, and able to do that, we need you guys to subscribe.
Subscribe
so if you
to
saw
Big
this,
Z.
don't think that.